This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Tyler Lettner. Coming soon. Active at the open house Sunday, October 17, 1 to 5 p.m. This beautiful and spacious 4-bed 2.5 bath home is conveniently located on a corner lot in the desirable Rolling Ridge subdivision. The home offers partially remodeled bathrooms including new LVP waterproof flooring, newer HVAC unit, 2018, and water heater, 2019, newer appliances, new cabinet hardware and granite countertops and plenty of cabinet space. The home is also equipped with ring security system including doorbell and floodlight cameras. The freshly stained covered back patio overlooks a beautiful mostly flat and fully fenced backyard perfect for the family pets. Backyard offers a newly graveled walk path leading to a fire pit for the perfect place to spend a cool fall evening. Call today to schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Tyler Lettner at 865-584-4000.